Hello fellas. So often when you buy furniture, especially these cabinets from IKEA or any other furniture store, one of the most difficult problem is to assemble and most importantly align the hinges, which are spring-loaded hinges like just like these ones, and make them work exactly in place where there should be, just these hinges. So this is what today's video is going to be about. So let's get started. Before that, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can receive notifications of the latest upcoming videos. Let's move forward. So guys, as you see, I've already installed one of the hinge in this place. I'll install the other one. Tighten it. So these both are tight all the way, this one and that one. Next, you should apply this hinge on the cupboard side. Make sure that the C open, like U-type open section is on the outside. Same goes for the upper one. So now both upper and the lower one are fixed. So now on the door side you have the two hinges. So these two small screws, they are just like this. They come with this. Try to just tighten it with hand maybe on the bottom one as well before we are going to basically push in this door, slide in basically. So now is the important part, that you remove these screws first, the ones on the cupboard side, and basically let me show you from the other side. These holes that have a little snug in them, like a crevice, that should go in this U section, and that you would only be able to do that if you remove these two screws beforehand. So try to slide in just like this. In fact, you should slide both the upper and the lower one together. Maybe handy to have another helping person if you're doing this for the first time, but if you have a little bit of experience you will be able to do it. So now both the upper one and the lower one are fixed. Let me first fix the upper one with the screw. So this screw is going to hold this in place. This will hold it in place, and this is going to adjust the tension in the spring. Now we move to the lower one. Okay, at this point it seems to be quite nice, hard and snug. Upper one as well. Yes, let's see how this is. So this is how it should be, right? Both of the hinges look very properly installed, nice, tight, and if you look at the alignment all the way up from the down, it's pretty uniform. I mean, if you look at it, and that is a good sign, because if you are able to achieve that in the beginning, then you will also see that the crevices are quite uniform. that's an indication that both the hinges, the top one and the bottom one, in this case there are just two, there could be more if the panel is a longer one. Anyways, both hinges are nicely installed, and there is an action of pulling this back while it's halfway open. So it will stay at this point, but if the tension in the spring is properly adjusted, it will close itself. And look at the hinge, look at the crevice, it's pretty uniform also on this side. So guys, let's call it a day, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and yeah, do subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that yet. So yeah, bye bye.